How to fix Discord mobile screen share not working. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Then click on View at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down and click on Voice. After you click on Voice, at the top, make sure input mode is voice activity. After it's voice activity and if it still does not fix your problem, open Settings and click on Apps and Notifications. After that, click on Discord in here. After you've clicked on Discord, click on Storage and Cache. In Storage and Cache, click on Clear Cache and Clear Storage. After you've done that both, go back and then click on Permissions, which is the second option. After that, make sure permission is given to all the options that are necessary, and mainly microphone, make sure it's allowed only while using the app. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Discord mobile screen share not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.